Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Marysville, British Columbia. This small and peaceful community is located in the southeastern part of the province, just a few minutes south of Kimberley. Marysville sits in a beautiful valley surrounded by forests and mountains, with Mark Creek flowing right through town. Marysville has its roots in the early 1900s, when the area was growing because of nearby mining and lumber activity. The town was named after Mary, the wife of one of the early settlers who helped build the local community. One of the most popular spots in Marysville is the short trail that leads to Marysville Falls, a lovely waterfall tucked away in the forest just a few steps from the main road. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Cranbrook, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.